flautist.
Didn't you guys watch the Game Awards together last year? I think we only watched it like the last bit together, right?
Yeah, I think the last. Yeah.
I think Pomu joined only for Game of the Year.
Yeah, I don't remember watching the whole thing, so.
And then the iconic. And then we were like, why is that guy so awkwardly standing in the back?
I forgot about that.
When we were like, that guy looks like he's so out of place.
Oh, yeah.
we're like, is that the translator?
Who is that? Yeah. Oh my god, I forgot about that guy.
The iconic.